Back at you with another sponsor review. Today I've got one from GMT Mining. I want you to check their website out, token.gomining.com, for more details about what I'm talking about today. But look, when it comes to mining, there are so many scams out there. I remember being burnt back in 2017 and 18 with a company, and it actually, it wasn't really a scam, but the way they had their contract set up, pretty much lost all the investment initial capital that I put in, minus some earnings that I had for a few months. But I lost pretty much the initial investment because of the crazy stipulations they had and whether or not it was a profitable period. So in the scenario with me, if my mining contracts were not profitable for 90 days, I would lose all of my contracts. A learning experience, and definitely didn't like that value proposition or lack thereof. And I've also been a miner, a hardware miner, locally. Built many rigs in the past, early 2013 14 days. I was mining Litecoin, Dogecoin, a lot of those coins. So I understand the headache that you have trying to maintain your own rigs. A lot of work. It's a continuous upgrading cycle that you go through every 3-4 months. And so I've seen that side of the spectrum as well. So what we have here today, ladies and gentlemen, is a business proposition for you that eliminates both of those headaches. GMTGoMining.com. You may ask me, CB, what's different with this platform, this mining platform, than others? Well, it's a unique project in the sense that it eases most problems miners and investors face, like buying expensive equipment and spending electricity. Secondly, it is more profitable than your traditional mining and cloud mining operations. And we'll get into the details on why that is the case here shortly. So stay tuned. And thirdly, I want to just point out that GMT is backed by real computing power. It increases in its price and allows users to get a daily Bitcoin income without buying equipment and spending money on electrical bills. The computing power of the GMT fleet of devices is redistributed between the total amount of tokens. So the token itself is an asset, and of course there with this asset is volatile and can be volatile just based on market forces, but it allows you to receive income in Bitcoin. And it is important to note that the GMT team burns tokens regularly, okay, following each additional emission almost every week. They use the so-called mechanism of burning tokens. And so in connection with the purchase of new equipment, they introduce new computing power and subsequently issue new tokens backed by that power. And with the issuance of those new tokens, they burn a portion of them. This release capacity is then redistributed among the entire volume of GMT tokens. It results in, ladies and gentlemen, an increase in supply power, which then increases your income. So they burn only additional issued tokens that have not yet gone on sale and which belong to the company themselves, not the holders. That's the important part here. And so the main differences between GMT and other cloud mining services is that with cloud mining, the user is set to mine for a limited time. And this is what I was talking about and referring to at the beginning of the video on how I got burned and didn't really know how the whole cloud mining industry worked, because I was coming from doing my own rigs back in the day, knowing, the hardware cycle with these rigs and these ASICs. I knew I had X amount of time to make money at a certain price per token, but was very unaware of how the whole cloud mining business works. But with cloud mining, again, you mine for a limited time. If you buy GMT tokens, there is no time limit. You can own the token, which is also involved in mining Bitcoin for an unlimited period of time. That's the key, okay? And that's what you want to really grab here in this video, is that main fact. GMT started about 3 months ago. At this point, it was around 24 cents with volume of around $75,000 in total 24-hour volume. Today, the token is at 36 cents, almost 37 cents. But look at the volume, 1.6 million in volume on a 24-hour period. They have seen huge progress and success. They've rebranded their website, Burn Token, several times. As you can see, the change in the data on their website or in the white paper. So they have multiple versions of the white paper. If I scroll back up, you'll see what I'm talking about here. If you click white paper, you'll see the various versions. They keep an archive of all previous white paper versions, so you can see the progress that they have, and they are now listed on several major exchanges. And now GMT is also available on Trezor and Ledger wallets. So official, they are official like a referee's whistle. On Trezor, on Ledger, that lets you know they're not playing games, and the industry recognizes them as a real valuable and viable project. So below you'll see on their website as well the various payment histories from August 27th up until today. They're showing you the payouts daily here, honestly multiple times a day, as you guys can see. And they're very transparent about all of that. So I want you to check them out on Twitter as well. It's GMT_token for the latest and greatest in what they're doing and how they're evolving and what changes they're making to their platform. So definitely go follow them. A very under the radar project here, guys. So check them out. And they also have an Instagram account as well with a lot of memes. So a little bit more lighthearted here on their Instagram page. And I don't want to forget, they are certifiably audited by Certec, one of the go-to auditors in blockchain. Okay, so they've been audited, and they've also gotten a legal opinion on the GMT token, it being a utility token, not a security. So that's very important to understand as well before diving in here and possibly buying some of these tokens. With this platform, with GoMining.com, you no longer have to think about purchasing equipment, setting it up, maintaining and upgrading it. That's what I used to have to do in the early days. On the flip side, with the cloud mining side of it, you're limited on how long you can mine with cloud mining operations. That's not the case here with GMT. They have high liquidity, so the token has a lot of liquidity. You can sell anytime, anywhere on the number of exchanges they're available on. In addition to that, you know, you double your profitability, or have the potential to double your profitability by investing in this token. So by purchasing a token like this, you're not investing only in the growing exchange traded asset, but at the same time in an asset that brings passive income. Such a token structure actually creates financial support for the people purchasing in case of market volatility, or provides additional income. So just think about that. And with that being said, to sum this whole video up, I do have a special promo for you guys for GMT. If you use the promo code blood_GMT when you sign up, you will get double the income within 30 days of signing up. The promo code is active for 7 days after I publish this video. So take advantage of this today. Don't wait. Because it will expire. And so by using that code, you will get double the income for 30 days. Might be a good time to sign up and check their program out. GoMining.com, the GMT token. They coined it as a brand new way of investing. Let me know your thoughts about this. Have you had success in the past with cloud mining or mining on your own? Definitely would love to know. And if you decide to sign up with this platform, let me know your thoughts about it. And don't forget, you see it at the bottom here, scrolling across the bottom of the screen. You want to use blood_GMT as the promo code. If you decide to sign up and try them out, you'll get double the income for 30 days. That's pretty much it. It's your boy Crypto Blood. I'll get at you guys later. Holla.